There's Ben.
We got 9 days. We got time to figure it out.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't be involved. Well, you wait till everybody's here.
Back in or anything, so I think that's a good question. Once you get there, is it easy to just take it apart? We don't actually even put it together here. We'll just ensure that your joinery is going to fit. Talk about how to put it together, and then we'll put it together when you get there. And that's what as I cut a timber frame for
Beyond a few inches, and everything's going to work out well there. A little bit of ring shade out towards the edge is no big deal, but if it's in the middle, it doesn't take too much to do it, and it's
really. Well, if it is a heavy one, the judge just puts his hand down on that and gives it a little bit of weight. And again, you can really work smart instead of working hard. And those
All right, there you go. Well, as I mentioned somewhere that this was a work trip. So we are diligently working on finishing our first lunch here. That's the red building behind us. I don't know if you can actually see it or see us. Either way, red building behind us. That's where our class is. What did we do today?
We learned how to lay out our corner posts. Glenn and I both have two 16-foot timbers. Well, we each have a 16-foot timber, which will end up in our 4 outside corner posts. And then we have 2 more center posts to lay out. Once we get that done, we'll be able to start cutting mortises, and once our uprights are all cut and set, we'll start cutting the scantlings or the wind braces and the roof rafters.
Yeah. All right, lunch is almost over. Day 1. Here's our view.
It's a rough light.
And again, this is a work trip. All right. Lunch is almost over. We're going to head back in and get to work. See you later today. Yep.
Yeah, no, it's actually, well, I mean, Sterrett makes it arguably better tape, and Muffin makes it fine tape, but it's very, how much variation. And Stanley, for the money, Stanley is the way to go. And we'll just do that right there.
Yep. I think we'll edit this part.
to 74.5. 74.5.
I'm not really sure how you did it. 4-inch mistake. So it's fine. So, yeah. Unless there's no- it's really tough. Kind of
That's a seagull.
That's a seagull. Hey, hi, Glenn here.
And Ben.
So this has not been in the shop with, wow, we haven't done that for a while. This is not in the shop with
Ben.
and Glenn. Oh, you're supposed to do that. Anyways, we're here at North House Folk School. We are in the,
Red building.
yeah, I was gonna say blue.
Oh, this is red.
This is the red building. This is the red building.
Blue's where coffee is.
Blue is in coffee, yellow is where the school is up there. We are finished with day one of timber framing, small timber framing. We will do 9 days,
8 more.
8 more days, well 9 total, so one
One down. 8 more.
8 to
This
go.
many more.
Those are our timbers back there. We're making a 10 by 16 small build. The little timber frame that was out on the dock, I think we'll do a pan on the way out of here. That will be what we're building, bringing back home. So it's kind of cool. We're not going to assemble here. We're just going to lay it all up, cut all the pieces, and then bring it home. So today was a fun day.
It was.
Tom
Tom.
from Montana,
Mm-hmm.
who also lives here but is from Montana, was our instructor today. And we laid out, there's 3 beams over there,
6 posts.
which makes 6 posts when we cut them in half and do it all. But got them all laid out, all the mortises, all the
Knee braces.
knee braces, all of that. So tomorrow we are going to dive into actually using the mortise. You talk for a second.
The chain mortiser. This thing is wicked. I'm gonna order one tonight. I'm sorry, Megan. I love you, but it might beat me home.
Everybody needs one of these,
Yes,
if not 2.
probably 2.
One for you and one for your friend.
Exactly.
But this is tomorrow. Yay.
And chisels. We'll show you chisels tomorrow. Big
Tomorrow,
chisels.
yep, chisels, we'll get to use that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is the wrap up. We're just gonna turn the camera around so you see what's out there, and then we'll give you a little outro. But thanks for watching. If we're successful in this, we're gonna do a wrap up video a day just to take you through this whole process, and then when we get it home, we will actually
Do a build.
do a build with it. So hopefully there's 9 videos on this side. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow along, and you'll see how this is.
For notifications.
Ding the bell, and go out and find, that was a big one, go out and find, they are on Facebook.
Yep.
They do have a YouTube channel
And Instagram.
and Instagram, North House Folk
School.
School.